So it's like 5 years since the last time that I did something with Arduino, and today I'm like, okay, should we do something? So I still have a lot of material back from these days. I still have a lot of conductive thread. This is silver plated. I think this was copper, and this is the stainless steel. And of course we need a multimeter to check the resistance of the conductive thread. And I also have some sensors that we can actually see. But more like sensors, I have a lot of sewable LEDs, and I also have some battery holders so we can insert a coin battery like this one and power up our circuit. Here I have all the things that I'm going to be using to make this quick project. So status update, I don't think this is going to be working. I'm already bored, like sewing is super boring. See, this is what I did. Well, I have to put this because if not it's going to give contact to the rest of the pins, so I don't know, I'm just covering it with this. So I kind of sewed the negative side, the positive one. I still need to do the one in the middle, which is the data one, the pin 6 thingy. Yeah, I'm tired already. The moment we all been waiting for, will this work? No, of course it's not working. I mean, it's working, the lily pad is connected, but the LEDs are not working. Let me check with the multimeter what's going on. I don't know if I can do this with one hand. I don't know what I did, but I just connected the ground of the battery to the ground of the lily pad and it works. So yeah, we are just going to be sewing this too, and that's it. It's not working. Okay, I think I'm tired. I don't think I'm going to make this. Okay, so it's like some hours later, actually it's like 1 AM in the morning, and I left it at 6 PM and I realized like I didn't know how to make this. I think I just burned some LEDs and this is why it's not working, because, well, I don't know what I did, whatever. So yeah, I should think about the circuit, you know, like how I should actually make it. And now, you know, I was thinking like, should I just leave it like this and move on to another project? But you know, I want to make it because this is something very simple and I'm like, you should make it, you know, this is super simple, just make it. So we are going to try now, okay? And it's working. Look at these LEDs lighting up thanks to these 3 volts coin cell and no microcontroller because I took it out. I was so upset, I just wanted to tear apart the project, and when I was doing that, they randomly started working. Well, not randomly, when I took this out. And now I'm like, okay, I need to make this work with the controller, with the microcontroller, because I want to be able to control the LEDs. But for now, I will consider this a win, and I'm going to add some shape. Okay, it's not working. I wanted to add a button so I would be able to click and, you know, off, on. But as you can see, it's on and nothing is happening. One moment I was celebrating my win, and now I'm back to this. Good morning, it's a new day. You might appreciate it because of the light, and also because I'm finally checking the documentation. These are the NeoPixels that I bought, and here they have the circuit of how to wire it. And as you can see, they're connecting the battery directly to the microcontroller, and then this is happening. And well, since I don't have this microcontroller, I don't have Flora, I have Lilipad. So I also googled this and I found that they also have an example with Lilipad and some NeoPixel-like LEDs, but they are not the same ones. But you know, the diagram is the same, you know, the microcontroller with the battery connected to it instead of what I'm doing, because in my case the battery is not here, the battery is here. Maybe that's a problem. In case you're wondering if you can buy a Lilipad, you cannot because it has been retired, like I should be doing with this project. Yesterday was a bad day, you know, my motivation was super low and I didn't have any kind of confidence on what I was doing. I don't know why I was being so drastic, you know, like it's been 5 years, 4 years without doing any of this, like how I am supposed to remember, you know? It's not usual. I mean, I've never been that good at these things, like I cannot expect to just, you know, rest for 5 years and then come back and just be a genius when I've never been. I've been thinking about the circuit that I was doing yesterday, remember this thingy, and well, last night it was working, but then it wasn't, and I'm not going to be sewing again without testing again. I mean, yesterday I tested with the alligator clips and it was working for one LED. But today I want to test the whole circuit, and I wanted to try if the protoboard is able to work with these thingies, because these have no pins, so it's not like I can just insert it on the protoboard. Doesn't have it because it's meant to be sewed or soldered. I really want to solder today. I want to make this circuit but without the data pin connected, because I want to maybe try it analog, you know, like the battery, the LEDs and the switch button, and then I will make another version of this as in circuit that I showed you this morning. So we will have the battery and the Arduino together and then the circuit, like in the recommendation, you know. So this is what we are going to be doing today, and hopefully this evening I will be able to sew some LEDs into this crop top, and yeah, that will be it. Hi, welcome to day 3 of trying to make a LED crop top with Arduino. And yeah, I know it's something very simple, but I really don't know why it's not working. I should kind of study again electronics, but I'm lazy and I'm very impulsive and I just want to do things right away, which is bad because it's not the most efficient way, but whatever. I'm just thinking that if I try to do this by myself, maybe I will learn more. I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, I have different battery options to try today. So we have this thingy, and we're going to be using these batteries, which in the end is going to be the same power because it's 1.5 each, so 3 volts like our coin cell battery. And if that doesn't work, I have a 9-volt battery with this thingy. So we will be trying this too. Will it work? Probably not, but I don't know what else to do. Whoa, it's working! Well, not one. Okay, whatever. We're just going to let it be like this, and we are going to try to do the same for one. Whoa! Wait. I did something. Wait. Will it work? No, but you were working a second ago. Why were you working a second ago? Why you are not working anymore? I hate this. Okay, so we want this to be a crop top with LEDs. Why? I don't know. I just have all these LEDs and I'm like, we should do something with this. But I need to stop procrastinating on thinking, because the real reason of this is I'm procrastinating on thinking why it's not working. I'm doing the same mistakes over and over again, and the electrons are not flowing properly, and it's my fault. And sometimes I scream for help when they light up the LED. They're like, hi, help us, we're here, we're not dead, just help us. Then they are like there's like some evil villain in the circuit that is like, shut up electrons, you are not here. I'm going nuts or whatever. Okay, so when I move the wires and I kind of tie them up, it works. So I'm assuming that maybe the problem is that it's not making the right contact. So maybe I can solder it. And I'm going to waste a lot of time soldering for nothing. You have no idea how frustrated I am at this moment. Like, I've been trying for hours, nothing works, and I'm like, I just wanted to make this quick, you know, like to remember the old days when I was learning Arduino and I was so happy about it. And now I'm just frustrated and I'm just very upset because it's not working, and I don't understand why, but it's fine. I have 3 plans, 3 different options, and one of them is going to be working for sure. So option number 1. I'm going to take some regular LEDs, the one with the legs, I'm going to twist the legs and I'm going to sew it. I'm not going to be using any microcontrollers, so it's going to be the LEDs, the battery and the button. I made this in the past, so it's going to be working for sure. Option number 2. I bought a Gemma microcontroller, so it's the same brand as the NeoPixel, so everything is adafruit, and I'm going to be following the tutorial that I showed you before. and if it doesn't work, then it's their fault. And option number 3, I bought how do you call it, like LED sequins that are literally just small tiny LEDs that they have, instead of having the legs, they have 2 different holes, so one is positive and one is negative, and then you can just sew it with your conductive thread to your circuit and it should be working. And that's it. That's it. Tomorrow we do option number 2 and 3 because Amazon Prime will be delivering it. But today we work on what we already have, which is option number 1, the normal LEDs. Let me find them. If I'm honest, I didn't know I had LEDs. If not, I would have tried earlier. But I had to clean everything because it was a mess. And when I did that, I found the LEDs. So yeah, we will be making red LED crop top. For the sake of it, I wanted to test if this was working, and yes, it works. So the lily pad is not broken. The battery is not broken. Nothing. Oh, yeah, nothing is broken. Moment of the truth is here. Yay, basic electronics. It's working. Amazing. But yeah, as you can see, I need to keep pushing the button if I want it on, which is not very user friendly. So this is when our friend Arduino comes into the game, and I just need to, well, to get the code, to do the wiring, and hope it works. I've been trying for like an hour, and that's what I get, an LED blinking. I also got like something else, but it's not what I want. What I want is that when you click, it turns on and it stays on unless you click again and then it turns off. A normal button, you know, a normal one. After hours of trying to make this work, I must say that it's still not working. Yeah, I tried, I followed many tutorials, but it's not working for me, really. I literally follow every step, but it's not working for me. I know I'm doing something wrong, but I don't know what it is. So yeah, I'm just going to leave it here. It's like 2 AM and I'm just really sleepy. And definitely I cannot think clearly, but yeah, I think for now, option 1 is a half win. Because yeah, it works. Not the right way, but at least it works, you know. But yeah, tomorrow we will get deliver the other microcontroller and the LEDs, and I will be able to make option 2 and 3, and hopefully one of them will be working, and if not, you know, whatever. I mean, I don't care anymore. I know I will care. I will get very frustrated, but it will work. Tomorrow it will work. So I'm just going to sleep, and tomorrow it will work. Good morning. It's another day, and I'm not going to even try to work with this. I'm just waiting for Amazon to get delivered. It said that it will arrive today before 10 PM, so yeah. The wait is over, this is finally here. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that this works. I'm thinking now that maybe I should buy like 100 of these LEDs and just make the whole crop top filled with this. I'm just going to leave it here, and I'm just going to have a weekend. I'm going to order pizza, and tomorrow we're going to the beach.